Arbiter, but I've already slammed an IE. Nah, man, I wanted to keep the IE because I have a Gnar 2 right now. So I was like, this could actually be really good, but... With Arbiter and 2 rods, I'm probably gonna just play... like LeBlanc, I don't know. I guess I'll check my Arbiter first and see what I get. Maybe I can do like some weird Arbiter Jhin. Oh, wait, what the heck?
The time for talk is over. May I jump in?
If I can win streak this, maybe I have a chance. My board is slightly weaker now because I put in Timebreaker. But I feel like it's not that much weaker, and I still have a fair shot of winning. It's all I got a good econ. Rod? I think I'm supposed to try to play Xayah. Go to Ginsu's here, play Xayah. 2/5 cost champions. Check DM. What the heck? Hello? Wait, hello?
Albert, I'm so sorry.
What's up?
You can do what you need to do, but quick question. So I was told by someone in my chat that apparently while Janet was getting coached by Asa,